Hailuo, an amazing AI video and image generator, and I've heard about it at least tens of times from other influencers, but I hadn't really tested myself. So I decided to sit down, buy a subscription, and put this AI video and image generator to the test. I've got several prompts ready, from the simplest to super complex and detailed. And the question is, can this AI tool handle them all? Or is it just another overrated AI tool? Let's find out. Alright guys, a quick intro for anyone who doesn't know Hailuo AI. It has an integrated AI image and video generator, and you can see all the amazing things people are creating with it. You can generate images from text, you can also use image references to create even more customized content. And you can also bring images to life by generating videos from them. And again, you can see what really cool stuff people are creating. So let's start with an AI image generator here. Our first and the easiest prompt will be two gorillas looking at the camera somewhere in the jungle. I won't add any reference characters, and I will let the AI automatically enhance my prompt for better image generation. I will also use this resolution and stick to 4 image variations for now. Of course, we need to wait a few seconds, and here are our images. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments, did AI create what you expected on the first try? For me, it might not look perfectly realistic, but considering this was created in seconds by AI, and we didn't set a specific style, I would say it looks pretty good. Alright, let's generate something more complicated. A realistic gorilla sitting on a mossy rock in the jungle, looking curiously at a drone, soft natural lighting, detailed textures, cinematic atmosphere. Again, I'm not adding any image references, and I want 4 image outputs. We just need to wait a few seconds, and here are our images. What I can say, I like these two the most. Here the drone is too close to the gorilla, and this one looks a little off. And that's exactly why we choose 4 image variations for every generation. And yeah guys, this one looks especially good to me. And again, let me know in the comments below, do you think Hailuo AI's image generator did a great job or not? Alright, let's move on from gorillas, and this time I want to make the AI job a bit more complex and use a reference image as well. It will be 2 men shaking hands in the middle of a crowded outdoor concert at night. Again, I'm choosing 4 variations, waiting a few seconds, and now the real test begins. You can see guys, none of these images look quite right. Fingers are overlapping, and just look at those zombies in the crowd. Of course, if we don't like these images, and we don't, we can always regenerate them. But it's all about credits, and credits cost money, so maybe we should tweak our prompt. And to be honest, I tested a bunch of these AI image generators, and almost every AI image generator would struggle with requests like this. But I'm still surprised we don't even have one good image here. So again, you need to experiment and give the AI the most accurate and detailed prompt possible to avoid mistakes like that. Okay, I have maybe the most complicated and detailed prompt ready, so let's quickly check it out. And this time I'm also attaching a reference image to make AI's job a bit harder. So let's see what we get. Okay guys, this look much better. Always pay attention to hands, fingers and faces. These are the areas AI struggles with the most. Guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this Hailuo AI image generator? I've heard from a lot of people that video generation here is super underrated, so let's check it out. I've got 4 different prompts ready, from the simplest to the most complex. We will be testing both the text to video and image to video features, so we can get the full picture. The Hailuo 2.0 model is already selected by default. I'm not going for the highest quality here, since it costs 80 credits. Our goal is just to test motion, lighting and camera movement. And a few seconds of waiting guys, and you can see it's looking good. I can't really tell if the wheels are spinning, but since the car is moving fast, it's totally fine that it just slides down the road. Alright, let's pick another prompt. This time I want to test human motion, how real our video will look, and natural lighting transitions. As you remember, I mentioned that AI struggles with people, their faces and fingers, so let's go with one video at our default quality and see what we get. And everything looks good here, and the running motion seems natural. Or maybe we just got lucky. Let's ask AI to generate this prompt one more time. Again, a few seconds of waiting, and you can see this video is also okay. This one was not the hardest prompt, but now let's use another young woman as a reference and run the same prompt again. Make her run through a misty forest. Okay guys, you can see the face of our woman has changed, and now she is in motion. I have to say AI handles this task pretty well. Again, let me know in the comments below if you think AI did a great job or not. The slow motion running looks a little weird to me, but at least we don't have issues with your face, fingers or other areas AI typically struggles with. Okay, now let's check out the image to video feature. I found another image of a woman running in the park, and I want to bring it to life while slightly enhancing the scene. We need to wait a little as always, and let's see what we got. Okay, our girl is starting to run in slow motion. The morning mist looks a bit off, it's not exactly how I wanted, but I can enhance the prompt later. The lighting and the way the camera follows her are looking natural, no problems with it. I wouldn't say it looks completely different from what I asked for, and there aren't any weird looking parts, everything's pretty good. Alright guys, I've got one more script, the most complex one. It's going to be a massive outdoor festival with a huge crowd. We'll start with text to video first and see if AI can handle this. Okay, let me know, does it look solid or not. I think it's not looking too bad. You can't really see the faces of the people dancing, but the video is only 6 seconds long and I don't notice anything weird happening. But we are not done yet, let's use a reference character. I found an image of a musician on stage and I want to use his face. Now we will tweak our prompt a bit, so the camera focuses on our musician first and then on the crowd. Clicking on generate and let's wait a few seconds again. Okay, this one took the longest to generate. You can see the camera starts on our musician and then switches to the crowd. But why the crowd turned away from the musician here? There are also some weird movements happening in the crowd, but let's forgive it to our AI. As you can see, like I mentioned at the beginning, AI can handle a lot of scenes, creating consistent characters, but it always struggles with exactly people, their faces, fingers and behavior in the video. Alright guys, we've got one script left. I have an image of a chef with a pan cooking in a restaurant and I want to turn this into a video. I want our chef to flip the food in the pan, moving it up and down twice, with steam rising, warm lighting and a handheld camera style. As always, speeding scenes up a bit and let's check out our generated video. Whoa, we have a crazy chef guys, just look at what she's doing with this food. Watching this one again to check for any glitches, looking at fingers, hand movements, face, especially the eyes. Everything seems to look real and natural. This time AI did a great job. Sometimes you won't get exactly what you want without any glitches. And that's pretty normal for all AI video generators. It can be frustrating when you spend credits and you don't get the results you were hoping for. But that's the reality for now. Just focus on your prompt and provide as many details as possible so the AI won't mess up. Speaking of credits and pricing, Hailuo offers monthly, quarterly and yearly plans. As with most companies, the longer your subscription, the cheaper it gets. I'm using the standard plan, which gives me 1k credits every month and lets me create over 80 videos monthly, more than enough for my personal projects and YouTube. It's also worth mentioning that you can buy extra credits if you go over your monthly limit. However, without an active subscription, credits alone limit most features. So ideally you need an active subscription first and then buy credits only if you used up yours. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below what do you think about Hailuo AI. If you tried other AI image or video generators, do you think Hailuo AI is really that good? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe.